Good morning students, welcome back to biology class, and in the last classes we already completed two chapters, that is nothing but microorganisms, friend and foe, and also we discussed first lesson, that is nothing but the crop production and management. That and all we already discussed, and we also completed the exams, and now we are going to be entered with the next lesson, that is nothing but the cell structure and functions. This was the new topic for you only, and you don't know some basics also about this topic, but you know some microorganisms in the last class. That will be helpful for you to understand very fastly. Okay, and this was the lesson will be introduction topic for you at the 8th class, and it will be continued 9th class, 10th class, and it will become from for plus 1 and plus 2 also. This chapter is having more important for you. Okay. Yes. And today's session, when we are going to be starting into the session, I want to know that is that the in your body and near your surroundings, you may see the different types of compounds, right? And the things you may be observed. And what are the things you may be observed around your side now? You may be observe the book. You may be observe the pen. And you may be observe your watch, bangles, and you may be observe the things, benches, classroom, and the vehicles, and your mother, father. These are the things. Means living and non-living. Living and non-living. You observe both things, right? Living things you observe, non-living things you observe. What are the living things here? Humans. And you may are having pets, what we may call animals, and also plants, and also microorganisms. These are the living things. And non-living things, what you observed around you? Book, pen, TV, mobile, chair, clothes. These are the different non-living things. They are not having any sense. They are not having anything. If we want to move these anything, the living thing needed. If you want to move the book, if the book wants to move, where by itself it can be moved? No, we need to be take the book and we need to be kept it aside. Yes, these living things and non-living things are going to be formed as a one compound. Tell me one thing, when you got any wound or somewhere on your knees, on your foot, on your elbow, when you fell down, you may get the skin tore. Yes, right? After that, 2 days after, when you observe that skin tore, you may get a small thin layer, it covered on the wound. Yes, right? After few days, 1 week, the thin layer will be torn from your normal skin, and you may observe some small dots. You people cannot be seen properly. If you will observe, you may can see. Like this, it will be observed now when at the time when the wound area. These are nothing but cells. What are the cells? These cells we cannot be see with our naked eyes. We can be see with the help of microscope. Yes, we all people know these cells are having some basic functions. What are the functions? If the living cells, it needs to be always reproduction. Reproduction means dividing. 1 cell, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, like that. When it will be non-living things, it cannot be divided. It just added. Yes, that's what the differences between living things and non-living things. And you kept the chair here, and 2 days, 1 year after, the chair will weight will be increased? No. Double will increase? No. But as a human being, this year you may see and next year you may be observed, he is having some changes. He will become fat or he will become thin. Why? Because in your body the cells are there. The cells are doing some basic functions. Yes, that's why we may call it as cell structure and functions. What does the cell will do? What was the structure of the cell? And what are the functions the cell will do? We are going to be seeing in this session. Yes, children. Yes, different sets of organs. Our body is having different organs, right? Fingers, palm, hand, head, eyes. These are the different organs in your body. These and all cells are same. Cells are same? No. But the components are same. The components. Further classes we will discuss. Components means in the cell parts. All are same, but the size will be different. Shape will be different. Different sets of organs perform the various functions. You have, tell to me, what are the various functions the cells will be do? The hands, what the hands will do? The hands are moving which function? Doing moving function. Yes, right? And the tongue, what does the tongue will do? The tongue will always speaking. Yes. My fingers, these are one also organ, no? Fingers, what does the fingers will do? Fingers are going to be helpful to holding or to writing, to catching. Yes, right. And next, heart. Heart is having cells, right? That heart is having what? Heart is helpful for circulation. Circulation of blood. And brain. Brain, what does it do? The brain is going to be do that. Passes the messages. Yes, right? These are the different cells and it will be do the different functions. And next, in this chapter we are going to be learn about the basic structural and unit of an organ, and which is we may call it as a cell. Cell may be a composed. The cell is not a single. Now this finger wants to formation of this a group of cells to form as in a finger. Like that, a group. How I came and told. If you see any wall, the wall can be will be a one wall. No, it will be built with bricks. It's right. Single bricks will be joined together with the help of cement. Now the wall arrangement is going to be happen. Like that, in our body also, a group of cells, we may call it as a bricks also. A group of cells will be joined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we may call it as a round cell, that is blood cell. Okay? Yes. That was the thing we are going to be discussed in this session. And one more thing I want to be tell to you children. From the cell, which is going to be happen? The cell. These cells are having, in a chemistry you discussed about atoms, molecules, proton, electron, neutron, like that, no? The cell is having some compounds. What are the compounds? Compounds means proteins, lipids, any calcium, anything, okay? And a group of cells, we may call it as a tissue. Tissue means, now the skin is the tissue, no? Now the muscle is the tissue, no? Like that. A group of tissues. A group of tissues is called as organ. Yes, here layers of skin was there. 6 layers are there. The 6 layers will be combined. We may call it as a skin. Skin is an organ, right? Yes. And next, all organs. Now the skin, head, muscle, heart, liver, lungs. These all the organs combined. We may call it as a organ. system. What we may call that? Organ system. And next, organ system too we may call it as a human or plant or animal or animal. I told you compounds. What are the compounds are present in the cell? The cell is having, your body is having heart for the circulation, brain to pass the messages, and the digestive system to digest the food. Like that, the cell is having some compounds. What are the compounds? It is having cell wall, it is having plasma membrane, and it is having mitochondria and Golgi complex, etc. In further classes, we are going to be discussed about these components of cells also. And next, this cell is having two types. What are the two types? Prokaryote, eukaryote. Prokaryote, eukaryote. And afterwards we will discuss what is prokaryote and what is eukaryote. And we can see these onions, we can see the cell by doing one activity also. With the help of onion we can see that the activity, whether the cells will be clubbed together or not. How the bricks will be arranged in a wall, like that all the cells will be arranged to form a tissue. And next, different cells are present in our body are going to be helpful to perform the different types of functions. Now you may tell that the chair will be helpful for, that is a non-living thing. But the chair is having one function. What is that function? The chair is going to be helpful to sit. That's the function is going to be did by the chair, no? And next, the light. The light is going to be helpful for what? To give to emission the light. That the light cells are going to be function. What function? Giving the light. And next, human being function what? We are going to be having some respect, having some values, having some ethics. Our function in our body, the cells function. What does the cells function? We already discussed. Now my tongue is continuously speaking. The function is that only. That's why it is speaking. And next, the heart, circulatory, and the muscle, contraction and relaxation, and the digestive system to digest the food. And next, the teeth is going to be helpful for to chew the food. Like the different structures are there, different functions are there, all will be clubbed together to unit to form an organ. That is nothing but the cell. About this we are going to be discussed in the further classes, students, and today's session is going to be completed, and tomorrow's session we are going to be discussed some more interesting topics. What was that interesting topics? How the cell was discovered and who discovered, and how we can observe the cell with the help of onion we will be see, and also what are the shapes, what are the size, and what was the number of that cell. These and all we are going to be discussed in the further classes. And I want to convey one message to you. Please read the textbooks and don't go to outside. Be hygienic by yourself, and you people will be safe at home only, children. And today's lesson, some small revision again. Yes. Around us different types of things are there. There are living and non-living things. Living things can be having some functions, and it can be some structures, and it is having some basic things to do. And non-living things is also having, but these non-living things are not movable. We can be moved by ourselves for them. Yes, the living things. How the bricks wall will be constructed, like that all the cells will be clubbed with each other, joined with each other to form a wall. Like that in our body also, the cell, a group of cells are going to be combined to form a tissue. A group of tissues, group of cells means here again you may get doubt. Madam, cell means it cannot have food, anything like that. You are eating, right? You are drinking water. That and all going to be consumed by the cell only. That cell, after the digestion, after the turning, you are eating some amount of rice. The rice is not going to be helpful for our body to give energy. The rice is going to be converted into different types of compounds in our body with the help of cell. That's why the cell is playing an important role in our body to perform a function. If these cells are not having a capable to generate in your body is going to be died. How we may tell means, because one best example, plants are there. If you didn't give sunlight, if you didn't give any water, the plant will become dead. Yes, right? Few days, first day, second day, third day, fourth day, up to 1 week it will be sick. Again you are not giving the water. What does the plant will do? The plant can consume what are the required, what are the already stored energy, it will be used and it will be died. Like that, you need to be function your cells. You need to be have the food neatly, have it properly, and drink more water, and drink good diet food. If you these cells wants to generate a very healthily, and these cells are continuously growing till the small childhood to till until our death. The cells are continuously growing in living things. Okay children, and today's session is going to be completed, and tomorrow's session we are going to be discussed about the discovery of the cells. And thank you children.